Right, guys, we're just doing corrections. Yesterday's corrections on this exercise on negative exponents. Okay, I think we had 3 there. Just gonna go through the first one. Okay, we've got exponents of the same base. Okay, firstly, let's deal with the numbers before. 2 times 2 is gonna be 4. Okay, and then we've got 2 powers of the same base. 2 powers of the same base, we add the exponents. So it's going to be x3 plus 3, which is 4x to the power 6. Okay, all of us should get this with no problems whatsoever. Okay, I think there's a cube root there. Okay, that expression is 2x3, 2x to the power 3. Right. This is not going to be 4x to the power 6. This is a massive mistake. You can't do that. Why you can't do that? These are two like terms, guys. All you need to do is to add them together. Law 1 says if you multiply 2 powers of the same base, you're not multiplying here, you're adding. Okay? So you're adding. The only time you add exponents is when you're multiplying. When you're adding terms, you just collect the two like terms. These are like terms, we're going to collect them together. So it's going to be 4x to the power 3. In other words, this is 2 of x cubed and 2 of x cubed. So you add them together to get that. Okay, not to the power 6. Right. Most of us are making that mistake, so it's important that you understand that. Okay, so let's go here. Firstly, here we're going to deal with the brackets. Yeah, we deal with the brackets. We start with the numbers first before the exponents. So we're going to go that coefficient and that coefficient. That's going to be 6. Okay, and then we have x to the power 2 times x to the power 3. So it's going to be x2 plus 3. We're applying law number 1 again. Law number 1 says 2 powers of the same base, you add the exponents. You've got a power there. You've got a power there. Same base, guys. When it's same base, we add the exponents. That's why I'm adding the exponents. Okay, let's go to this other side here. What are we doing here? We are not multiplying. We are adding. So we've got to add 3 plus 2x. And these are like terms because they are to the power 3, both of them. We're not multiplying, so the law of exponents is not going to exist here. We're going to add these. So that's going to be 5x to the power 3. Right. So what is that? We're going to 6x to the power 5 plus 5x to the power 3. Is there anything else we can do there? There's nothing we can do there. That's to the power 5. That's to the power 3. These are not like terms, so that's all we can do with this sum. Right, so the last sum in 2a was this number 4 here. So what we need to do here is we've got a term there. We've got another term there, okay. So here it looks like we'll be able to apply law number 1. Law number 1 again. Multiplying powers of the same base, you add the exponents. Okay, we're going to start with the number. Number is 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, and then we're going to go to the exponent. Now it's going to be x cubed plus 3. Okay, there's 2 powers of the same base. We add those exponents, and then we're going to go to plus there. What we're going to do, 6 times 6 is 6 times 2 is 12. And then we have x squared again here. Law number 1, powers of the same base, you add the exponents. x2 plus 4, okay? So what will this end up be? It's 6x to the power 6 plus 12x to the power 6, okay? So then what? Now we've got a plus sign. It's no longer a multiply sign. Okay. So we can't apply the laws now, the law number 1. Yeah. So we're not going to add these. We're not going to add the exponents anymore because we can't apply law number 1 because it's a plus operation. Okay. It's plus, not a the multiplier. So what we will have is, we will have 18x to the power, not 12, 6. Why? Because we're not applying law number 1 of exponents. Okay, that's all it is for 2a. We're going to look at exercises for 2b.